Well, this is a great choice. MSc International Management at the University of Sheffield, UK is much sought after course. It is my pleasure to take you through this course. MSc International Management is a one-year full-time master level course, and here are the top reasons to opt for this course. This program combines academic expertise with insider knowledge and practical skills to prepare you for success. There are traditional lectures, seminars, guest speakers, and group projects. You're assessed on assignments, group work, exams, and a research project with a dissertation. The dissertation gives you the option to work with a partner company and get more valuable experience. Understanding the challenges and opportunities of doing business in a dynamic global economy sets you apart. Focusing on developed and emerging markets, you will apply practical business skills and learn how business is done across cultures. Accredited by the Association of MBAs and the Chartered Management Institute, in this course you'll develop the skills to take on the challenges of doing a business in a dynamic global economy. This program's content is practical, so students will learn business skills and real-world solutions that they can apply within the workplace from internationally known experts in their field. So let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for international management from Sheffield. Let me give you some interesting facts which will help you understand how this course will help you accentuate your career prospects. You can apply to do a company-based dissertation working with an external organization. Recent projects include researching the international student market in the UK for an immigration consultancy. A number of personalized services are provided before you start and throughout your time at the business school to support you in securing a successful role in your chosen area. After completion of this course, you will be prepared for a variety of management positions in a range of sectors. Typical job roles can include project manager, operations manager, marketing manager, communications manager, business development manager. Hey, MSc International Management with University of Sheffield will definitely help you in learning new skills and overall development. Let me share some interesting insights. Students will gain a critical understanding of the challenges and opportunities facing both multinationals and SMEs in a rapidly evolving and dynamic global economy. This program's content is practical, so students will learn business skills and real-world solutions they can apply within the workplace from internationally known experts in their field. Learning from a broad range of academics, students will gain a qualification ideally suited to prepare them for a role in a multinational or SME firm. A Sheffield degree is a preparation for life and the world of work. You will get support throughout your course and for up to 3 years after you graduate from the university. Sheffield students build a greater awareness of global issues through the management school's international contacts in business, academia, and governments across the world. A lively guest lecture program runs alongside a number of the courses, where lectures are delivered by individuals at the top of their game. There are some amazing benefits to study from the University of Sheffield. Let me share some of them. Sheffield University Management School is nationally and internationally ranked as a leading institution, as well as being accredited by numerous professional bodies. The department has Triple Crown accreditation, which was achieved in 2012 from the Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business, the Association of MBAs, and European Quality Improvement System. It is a mark of quality for the excellent teaching, outstanding research, support for students and alumni, and links with industry that is delivered at Sheffield University Management School. Triple Crown accreditation places Sheffield within the global elite of business schools. World-class research is used to develop knowledgeable and employable students, promote socially responsible work practices, and have a positive impact on organizations and society. The Sheffield University Management School won the first ever Chartered Institute of Management Accountants Global Excellence Award, which celebrates outstanding academic partners, tuition providers, and students who have made significant contributions to the accounting profession and the institute over the past year. Your entire year is going to be full of profound learnings, and believe me, it would be once in a lifetime experience. The key modules you're going to study are marketing, global marketing, entrepreneurial economics, strategic management, European business, international human resource studies, research methods. To know more about the University of Sheffield, speak directly to the UK University delegate now and excel in your life. Log on to speaktouniversity.com. Find the link in the description.